Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to replace tie rod ends Ford Focus step by step. Start by lifting the car and removing the front wheel, then loosen the outer tie rod end with a wrench and separate it from the steering knuckle. Replace the inner tie rod if worn, measure toe alignment, torque to spec, and recheck steering feel before lowering the car. Take your time and stay safe. Gather the right tools and prep the work area for a smooth tie rod end replacement. Use a jack and stands, a tie rod puller or pickle fork, a torque wrench, and safety gear. Mark the old ties for reference, count turns when removing the outer tie rod, and clean the threads before installing new parts to ensure accurate alignment and easier reassembly. Take pictures during disassembly to help with reassembly and avoid mistakes. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more repair guides. On another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control keeps your garage tidy while you wrench. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider pairing tools with good lighting and shop mats for comfort. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Loosen the lock nut, count rotations, and remove the outer tie rod end carefully to preserve toe settings. Use a puller to separate the ball joint, inspect boots and bearings, and replace damaged components as needed. Thread the new tie rod to the same number of turns, torque the lock nut, install cotter pins if required, and test steering motion before lowering the vehicle for a final alignment check. Stay patient.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.